Well, as you can see, I have 2 ferals that showed up this morning that need to be spayed and neutered. There's a little black cat that were chasing some of these fellas. Here we go. She actually let me touch her. She actually let me touch her. I'm just praying she's not or it's a he, I don't know. It's a shame. Don't know if it's a male. Don't know. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And he's friendly. Hi, yeah. I'm trying to look. Can I see if you're a male? Yeah. I don't want you because I don't know if you have fleas. I know. Let's go walk around. I'm gonna walk around here and see what's going on. Oh, we got some babies. I don't know if this little girl or boy is aggressive towards them. Oh, we've got blue jays. I hope she stays by that bush area. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Yeah. Where you coming from? Where you coming from? Yeah, I know. Look at that face. Trying to see if it's a male or a female. Yeah. And I'm hoping you're a male because we don't need any more females. I know. Everybody's coming in for food. Hi, I know. You're like, I just want to say hello to you, but I don't want you to bring fleas. I know, baby. She's like, oh, just pet me. Just pet me. I know. Watch out, tiger. Little tiger. Look at this. This is what I'm dealing with right now. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. I gotta go in the basement. Excuse me. Watch out. Okay, let's move on over here. But if you rub against me, I don't know if you have a little flea or something that's gonna pop on me and I gotta bring to the basement. All right, let me just. Oh, I'm walking in the grass. As much as I did pat her with my gloves. So she is friendly. I don't know where the other little girl is. Somewhere in here she usually stays. I don't see her anymore. I don't know if this little girl's using that house. Believe me, my husband will be the first one to play with this girl or boy. But this is what we're dealing with. Oh, Lord.